Welcome to my first ever video tutorial, or you can say voice tutorial. So in this tutorial we will be learning how we can print Fibonacci series using C programming language. So for that, first we must include both of our important variables, the important things, that is standard input output and other one, so that we will be able to code in this place. So let me do that really quick, and after this we will get the basic layout of our C programming language. So now after this we have done that. Now what we will be requiring to do is declare a variable. So I will just type integer and provide a value to A, so that would be 0, and a value to B, that would be 1. And now after this, sorry, I added semicolon over here, that should be comma. And at this time now I will declare a value called C, I will declare a value called N, and I will declare a value called I. Now this is done. Now what I will do is request the user to type any number. So how many times you want to print that the Fibonacci series. Suppose if he wants to print 5 times, then it would be 0, 1, 1, 2, and so on. Now to do this, first I will just type enter how many how many times to print. Suppose I am just wrote like this, and now I will save this as n. Now over here I just did that, so now I will just add an element called scanf. And over here what I will do is add %d, so that if we are using integers, and I will add and sorry, okay. Now after this it will store the value in n. So now what we are gonna do is add the two main things of our element. So just do printf, and over here I will do %d space %d space and comma. I will add a comma b, so the value will be stored in a and b, that would be 0 and 1. Now after this what we are gonna do is start a loop. So we will be starting with for loop. So first, to add for loop I will just type this, and I will add this and basically out. Now inside the for loop what I will gonna do is first give a value to I. So I would be 0, and a condition, or what we say, I if is less than n minus 2, then I is plus plus. And over here comma is not used, semicolon must be used, so there we go. Now over here we will show that C must be added with a plus b. So for that I will just say C equals a plus b, and after this I will just say printf, and inside here I will type %d and store the value in C. After this, what the main thing is, we will say that A is B. So let me just make it very clear. A is B and B is C. So in this way our Fibonacci series is done. Now if I go over here and type hit F11 in dev C++, or just compile and run, so it's saying me how many times I want to print. So let me say I want to print 10 times. So over here it has printed, but the code is not in a good way. There is no spaces over here, so we can just do by giving a space over here. So let's do that really quick. So I will add a space over here. Now if I do F11, say 10 times, here you can see it is in a much clearer view. So 0 plus 1 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 plus 1 is 3, and 3 plus 2 is 5. So it's keeping on going on, so I can add how many times I want, like F11, and let's say I want to do this 1000 times. Then over here you can see I got that number, but that would crash my computer eventually due to my memory. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you like this tutorial, then do comment down. If you want more tutorials, I will bring more tutorials, and maybe a C language based tutorial. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then.